So this is the eSoft software introduced by Iconkay Tech. We call it the eSoft. So how it works is that it helps in keeping track record of staff within an organization. So once staff comes in the morning, they put in their individual login ID like this. So this is the way the software works. Once they log in, it works alongside with the camera of the system. So now once you log in, you can view in the exact time that staff comes in the morning. So can you see it is showing the current time that staff comes in? So we can see the exact time that staff comes in. So that's what the eSoft primarily solves. The eSoft shows the exact time that staff comes in, irrespective of the location where the admin is. You can check for all staffs. So after that, it has other feature. We have the feature of the payroll, the feature for annual leave, we have the feature for adding new employees, we have the feature for requesting for leave, and it shows the birthday of staffs. It also helps in providing information on remote reports. So I would show how the software reflects the payroll feature. On the payroll feature, you can see the exact account that the staff intend getting is remuneration, that's the salary monthly. So this is the place where you fix in the details. So we got to know what is the basic earning of the staff. The annual earning is being imputed. You can calculate the gross earning that staff is expected to get either after a deduction or addition. Deduction, maybe there are some charges or fees or loans to be refunded, or there are some benefits from increase in salaries or any earning of any kind. So the software helps us in managing the aspect of tax. So the recent tax system can also be calculated on the software. So that is what the payroll feature helps to resolve. So we say our software helps in showing the exact time that staff comes into the office. So like this is, for example, as of today, this was the time. This was the time that I came in. So this is by 8:39. You can get the exact time for each staff. You know the department, the name of the staff. You can see the image of the staff. So now the next feature is that staff can book in leave on the eSoft software. The eSoft provides the feature for that. And you can likewise see staff that have gone on leave and those that are not on leave. So on the software, you can see staff that are currently on leave. So presently, there are no staff on leave presently, and staff that are not expected to be on leave, maybe because of the duration of time that they have been within the organization, maybe there are new staff, so it's not immediately they can book in for leave. So that's what the eSoft provides for the annual leave. So next is that you can resolve the aspect of remote reports. So you can send in reports of what has been done for the day, or if there are information that is to be uploaded. So can you see? We can upload information. There can be daily reports. So these are daily reports that are being sent to the admin. So and this is attendance report. We have attendance report. We have daily report. We can print out the report on the eSoft. So the eSoft has different features. You can likewise print the report on the eSoft. If you want to add new staff into the software within the organization, so you can always add new staff. So once we click on new, you will impute the first name of the staff, the last name, what department. So there are different departments. You can put in the department, the password, the schedule. That's if it is an organization that works based by shift, the email, the official mail of the staff, and you save it. So that's how you impute new staff. So on the eSoft, we can generally check the exact time staff comes into the office, and the admin can keep a track record of that. You can get the information on payroll. You can request for leave. You can always test your staff occasionally. You can do tests on the software. So there is possibility for certain questions for your staff. So this is how it looks like on the eSoft. So and you can likewise demand for remote reports and send it across to your to the admin or the HR. So that's how the software works. So you can print reports. So that's all we have for you today as regarding the eSoft. Thank you and have a great time.